VLOGMAS. Let's go!
Alright, I'm really excited to try this. Here's a phone mount that I've had for a while, and I'm missing the nut that actually screws onto here to keep it affixed. And it's just been all kinds of floppy and not really usable. That's one of the videos the other day where you were like looking at my jeans the whole time. Is I need to glue that too. Cool. That's a problem for a different time. I went to the store last night and bought this little hose clamp, and I think I will be able to do what I need to do. A cool screwdriver. Loosen that up a bit. It's the easiest way to tighten it probably from the right, like that. Oh. Yeah, probably like that. See, so originally there's supposed to be like a vinyl or PVC nut that goes there. Should be able to do that. That's already a little bit better. Tighten this down. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Getting somewhere, guys. See, that's better than it was. This thing's like $3 though. Very expensive. I looked far and wide for the right size of actual threaded nut to go on there, and I don't think they exist, at least not at the store I went to. That's actually not bad. Let's see. Okay. Gosh. All right. No, over here. Let's try right here like this. So I should be able to. Let's see if it stays at that same angle. That's a win, and I'll glue it later. Feel pretty good about it. What do you think? Is that gonna work? It's behind the steering wheel, which is kind of lame. This is another one I used to use. That over there. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that works. Look at that. Look at that. See? It's great. It's wonderful. Fantastic. I can drive safely now. I'm really excited to clean out the bottom of this car and put in some new floor mats that we bought at Costco several vlogs ago. Before shot. Gross. Step 1. Vacuum the ever-living daylights out of this floorboard. Not quite doing it. The brush attachment is good for a lot of things, but not down in here. So let's try this guy, see what happens. Alright, so I'm not going to go as far as to say that that's nearly good enough, but what I will say is this is now an iterative process, and we won't call it dirt elimination, we will call it dirt reduction. So here we go, this is what we're looking at as our before. I guess it's not before, this is during cleaning. Are you still back here? Yes, you are. Yes, you are still back here. Never did I see myself filming myself, and I certainly didn't see myself filming myself one-handed. This is a challenge. This is tough. Content creator problems. 2 rear mats, WeatherTech, 4-piece, trim to fit, made in the USA. Look how easy it is. Look at him just trimming it to fit. Just trimming it to fit. Gosh, how do I... Semi-custom. Don't like that. I wanted fully custom. Alright, so semi-custom, driver's side, passenger side, rear and rear. Okay, let's see if we can get the driver's side done. Do we think this is driver's side? I do not. Oh, maybe it is. Hold on, it's upside down? It is. It's upside down, and this is driver's side. Because that grid pattern is the same as that grid pattern. Okay. Let's go. That really hurt my fingers. That was shockingly difficult to get off. These hangers on the top that were on there, there's a little release, a little detent you have to press, and it took a lot of force. But I did it. Yay. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is start with this one, and I'm going to end up cutting as much as I cut, and so I'm going to start with the outside and just kind of move inwards. If I start guessing and try to do a lot at first, I think I'm going to end up being sad and regretting it. So let's start. Where do I put you? How do you guys watch this? No idea. So what I did here, these guys are lined up with places on the actual floorboard, these hard spots. That one's missing, but that one's there. That's how it's actually affixed. And so I kind of line that up and then look in. So obviously those 2 sections will come off around here. There's plenty of room on this side, so I'll leave this here. So I'll go like that. And then we'll go appropriately around here. And then probably just up to right here will come off. And this on the side here. So I'm going to get cutting, and hopefully it works out. Please don't cut the car, please don't cut the car, please don't cut the car. Oh boy. How'd that guy use scissors in the ad? That's crazy. This stuff's thick. Comment below if you would have tried scissors first. See, I wasn't cutting towards myself, I was holding that and I was pulling away. See, very distinct difference there. That may have been too much, okay? One size fits most. There's actually a big lump right here that I can't cut into. So, oh well. Yeah, that's just how that's gonna be. It's just how that is. How it is. That is here. I need to do more. I don't know. Not cut too much there. It's fine. Okay. All right. We're getting, see, getting somewhere. We're refining it. We're cutting away on the outside a little bit, nice and neat. Okay. Kind of hard to get started. Once it gets going, it's not bad though. Like that. I mean, like that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. There we go. All right. We're talking. Poking up a little bit there. A little wonky. It's all right though. I mean, who? Really though, if you're putting your foot under the brake pedal, you're not a good driver. So, or something's very wrong. Oh man, I wonder, is this universal WeatherTech? I wonder, is this supposed to pop off or does this go on? Broken? Is it missing a piece? Actually, it looks like a screwdriver goes here. Hey, you pop this off, which would make sense. Watch me rip it. Watch me rip this thing. Nope, didn't rip it. Didn't rip it. Almost did. Almost did. Okay. Ready? Check it out. Alright, so it's a little loose. Hey, but it's on there though, right? A little retention. I think that's better. Iterative process. I'd say this is better. Ooh, see? Very nice. It's taking a lot of time. Let's do the other side. Maybe we'll leave the back. Let's do the other side. Because people aren't in the back as often, and I don't want to. Wait a minute. What is this? Tech grip. I looked at the back in case there were instructions, guys. I didn't see any. All of a sudden I look down, where'd this come from? I don't know. What is this for? What is this? Wooden dowel. Yeah, place it down. Those are mean looking dudes. I wonder, ooh, that's scary. Those are mean. Alright, that's a later thing. That's an optional addition. I choose to do that later. Okay, thanks, bye. Go ahead and out with the old. So this stuff being hard to take off, I don't like it. Oh, that ripped clean through. She gone. Okay. Oh, did it rain in here on Earth? Hey, it's pretty clean though, relatively. This is still gonna come off. Man, my thumbs are really taking a beating today. Oh, sad. Okay, yeah, that's the mat, and that's the attachment. Wow. Okay. Oh, vacuum time. If I can reach, which I barely can. You guys even need to see this? I submit that you do not, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Now we just need to affix this merry gentleman, and yeah, gosh, that is almost good enough. I could cut around this lump that's here. I don't know if that's necessary. Could cut out, oh gosh, a little bit there too. I could. This section, just this section, and then this end part, right? But then we'd still have this lump here. I bet this comes out. I bet this comes off of the actual floorboard. I'll have to read a manual or something. I kind of don't want to just crush it. It feels like I could fit a screwdriver in there though. Let me try that. All right, turns out these guys in the back fit great. Just had to vacuum out the area, layer down. Nice. You know, a lot of times I think it's human nature to assume that you're right on the precipice of some new opportunity, that things would be better if I just this or that. I had one of those thoughts right now. I'm going to be going on vacation for a while, starting tomorrow afternoon. It's kind of my last day of work for a bit. And man, I'm going to have so much time for vlogs. I'm going to do things around the house. I'm going to do all these things as soon as that happens. And that might not be true. It's never been true before. Why would it be true now? No, I'm pretty sure it'll be true now. It'll be fine. I'll have plenty of time. I'll do it later. Plenty of later time.